wanting to probe the ground to check for anomalies around. But no seismicity can be found, and seismic noise is the only sound. Cross-correlating noise can then be a valuable choice to get what looks like event waves. Let's introduce one of our faves. Ambient noise tomography, ambient noise tomography, ambient noise tomography, decipher the Earth's voice, get signal out of noise. We can use the cross correlations over some time between two stations. Then when we calculate results here, estimated Green's functions appear. Using a whole array with intercepting paths at play, we can cover an entire plane. Seismic maps information gain. Ambient noise tomography, ambient noise tomography, ambient noise tomography, decipher the Earth's voice, get signal out of noise. Where groundwater is spent, need some freshwater management. This method here can also bring some aquifer monitoring. Ambient noise tomography, ambient noise tomography, ambient noise tomography, decipher the Earth's voice, get signal out of noise. Ambient noise tomography, ambient noise tomography, ambient noise tomography, decipher the Earth's voice, get signal out